Hello, I'm gonna unbox the tefal blender forged glass. Let's go. All right. So as you can see, it comes like this. Pretty compact already. Oh, that's heavy. This glass box is heavy. Wow, that jug's quite big. I like it. So there's a liter and everything. It says smoother, faster. Okay. That's pretty much it. Literally, that's the whole box. And just instructions. Wow. That's it. That's all it is. So that is literally the blender. That's gotta be the fastest unboxing video I've kind of done in my life. There was nothing to it. Alright, how does this clip in? So... oh, okay. There's a little lock thing here, and you just twist it. Open, twist. Easy. Oh, the suction cups are actually working. Normally yeah, nice. I like that. Okay, you've only got your 1, 2, and it's done. Just 2 settings and pulse mode. Let's make some smoothies. I'm gonna make an Oreo milkshake. But that's the next video. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Sachthemotive, motivate you over and out.